Hey, I'm Rich Coleman, and this is On the Job, a show dedicated to the hardworking employees of Dare County, where we're going to go behind the scenes and show you what it's really like at some of these crucial Outer Banks jobs. On today's episode, we're going to be hanging out with truck driver David Overton, a sanitation worker of Dare County for 7 years.
Yeah.
I'll leave my music off for now.
We'll jam out later.
Yeah, we'll jam out later. I have no idea what's in this can here, but it is heavy.
You can feel the weight of the can.
Feel all that?
Yeah.
That was just everything falling in the can, falling in the back of the truck.
Yeah, I bet you're good at that the fall game at the amusement park. Is that like that?
Yeah.
Because I mean, you're hitting these like a pro. On a normal work day, what's wake up time for you?
2 a.m.
2 a.m. What time are you in the truck and starting to roll?
2:30 a.m.
2:30. Well, tell me a little bit about the truck, like something I wouldn't know, because I literally know nothing.
Well, number one, I'm on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, you're right-hand drive.
Right-hand driver, you know. And this truck does set like left or right, but very seldom we use the left side. That is if you got to transport it somewhere or something like that, then you can just
More comfortably drive on this side, yeah.
I'm more comfortable over here. I've done it for so long on this side that it's just like when I get in my own personal vehicle, I've got to stop for a minute.
Walk to the correct side of the car. I see you've got a camera. That's just the bed of the
That's the back of the truck.
back of the truck.
Actually, what's called the hopper, which is where the trash actually goes, which I can follow the can from the time I pick it up until the time it's dumped. If I can get it to a point here, if anything left in the can, I can see it. And I've got I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 mirrors that I use. I do everything by mirrors, pretty much. It's not a hard job, but it's more complicated than what the general public sees.
What's something that I might not think that's your biggest pet peeve?
Trash cans too close together. Trash cans too close to the mailboxes. Trash cans turned backwards.
Man, people do that? What does a backwards trash can do when you...
Well, they're not designed to dump backwards,
Huh.
and most of the trash falls on the lid, which doesn't fall into the truck.
So it just kinda goes
And then when you flip the truck, the trash goes back out. To the
back
truck.
out everywhere. What's your favorite part of the job? Do you have a favorite part? Getting off work at 11 a.m.?
Well, I mean, in a way, yes, because I have a full plate in the afternoon. I have a lot of other things that I do. So this job really allows me to do some of the other things that I need to do and like to do. Like I was telling you know, I do a lot of work at the church and being a musician and everything. And you know, I like to fish and spend time with my family. And you know, this job allows me to do some things that, you know, 8 to 5 would not